Today we are start with exercise 2.2 question number 1. Class 7th chapter is fractions and decimal. Exercise 2.2 question number 1 says that which of the drawing A to D shows 2 into 1 by 5 of a fraction. यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स, हमें ये बताना है कि which fraction connects with which of the following drawing. Now it is 2 1 by 5. 2 1 by 5, that means first of all I have to see कि 2 figure किन किन उसमें हैं. This is 1 2 3, this is not possible. This is 1 2, yes this can be possible. 1 2 3, this is not possible. 1 2, ये दोनों हो सकती है. Now it is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means we have 5 pieces. In 5 pieces 1 piece is shaded. 2 into 1 by 5. So देखिए यहाँ पे कितने पीसेस हैं इस बॉक्स में? 2 पीसेस. तो ये तो हो नहीं सकता है. यहाँ देखिए 1 2 3 4 5. दैट मीन्स दिस इज 1 by 5 शेडेड. यहाँ ये कितना शेडेड है? 1 by 5. ये भी कितना शेडेड है? 1 by 5. This whole is divided into 5 parts and one part is shaded. That means this is 1 by 5 shaded, or here again it's one part is shaded. That means this is also 1 by 5. And total we have 2 circles. That means 2 into 1 by 5. तो ये किसको correspond करेगा? First correspond to D part. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, तो 2 1 by 5 correspond to D part. Now 2 into 1 by 2. तो हमें क्या चेक करना है? 2 फिगर्स. अब मैंने आपको बताया था 2 फिगर्स, ये तो 3 है, ये भी 3 है, ये 2 है और 1 by 2. दैट मीन्स कि फ्रॉम अमंग 2 1 पार्ट इज शेडेड. तो देखिए दिस इज 1 2 2 फिगर्स आर देयर फॉर दिस एंड 1 by 2 1 पार्ट इज शेडेड. तो आउट ऑफ 2 1 पार्ट इज शेडेड. दैट मीन्स 2 1 by 2 correspond to this part. तो second part correspond to B. Okay, now the third part is 3 2 by 3. So first of all I have to check the 3 parts. 3 figures किसमें है? 1 2 3 1 2 3. Both can be done. Now it's 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means कि out of 3 2 parts must be shaded. तो out of 3 यहाँ पे कितने? ये 1 box is divided into 4 parts. तो that means this is 1 by 4. ठीक है, and this is 1 2, this is 2 by 3, this is 2 by 3, this is 2 by 3. So this is 3 into 2 by 3. 1 2 3 figures and multiplied by 2 by 3. So that means कि third portion correspond to A part. Third portion किसको correspond करेगा? A part को. Now 3 into 1 by 4. That means 3. अब remaining ही हमारे पास यही बचा हुआ है और this is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Why it is 1 by 4? Because among 4 part, 1 part is shaded. So this is 1 2 3. तो ये किसको correspond करेगा? 3 into 1 by 4. So third correspond to part, fourth part correspond to C. होप सो ये क्लियर हो गया होगा स्टूडेंट्स. आपको जस्ट चेक करना है 2 into 1 by 5. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव टू चेक कि 2 कंप्लीट पार्ट किधर है. सो दिस इज 1 2 3. तो दैट मीन्स कि 3 है, ये हो ही नहीं सकता है. ठीक है, 1 2 3 अगेन नहीं हो सकता. 1 2, हाँ दिस कैन बी हैपन. लेकिन 1 by 5, 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 by 5, दैट मीन्स कि ये किसको correspond करेगा? 1 by 5 इसे. Why? Because it has 5 parts and among 5 parts 1 part is shaded. So 2 1 by 5 इसको correspond करेगा. 2 1 by 2 इसको correspond करेगा. Why? Because it has only 2 parts and 1 part is shaded. Half is shaded. So this is 2 and 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. Now 3 2 by 3. 3 2 by 3 इसको correspond करेगा. ठीक है, 3 2 by 3. 2 part is shaded. 3 2 by 3 where it is? This one. 3 2 by 3. This is देखिए 1 2 3. 3 में से हमने बोला ये 1 2 3. 3 portions are there and 2 portions are shaded. तो so it becomes 2 by 3. और how many holes are there? 1 2 and 3. So this is 3 into 2 by 3. ठीक है, और 3 1 by 4. अब देखिए this is 1 2 3. So this is 3 into 1 by 4. This is 1 2. तो 2 into 1 by 5. और यहाँ पे कितना आ गया? 1 2. तो 2 into 1 by 2. तो होप सो आपको ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 क्लियर होगा. लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2.